52. Standards. A printer told me last Saturday of the problem his profession faces. 98% of the students who begin studying printing drop out before too long. As a result, there may be problems ahead for printing. The reason for this high dropout rate is the nature of the work. Printing is exacting, painstaking work. The printer has an accuracy requirement such as few other men must meet. His copy must be correct, and he must go back over his mistakes to correct his copy. Even with newspapers, where the work is on a rush basis continually, the errors which creep in are surprisingly few. Not only does the printer have a requirement of accuracy, but his work is open to inspection more than that of most men. Every reader, quote-unquote, inspects a printer's work, and blunders stay open to inspection continuously. All this is very exacting. It requires a care for detail and a conscientiousness which is foreign to all too many young men. As a result, various lines of work other than printing are also showing a decline in the number of apprentices, and some lines of skilled work now require foreign contracts if they are to be filled at all. The roots of this problem go deep into our times. Remember when your grade school teacher made you write a paper all over again because your copy was not neat or clean, or you did not leave the right size margin? Standards like that are disappearing now, and it is a shock to see the kinds of papers turned in by university students today. Your grade school teacher would not have tolerated it. The roots of this problem have their source in our relationship to God. If we can be, as we are today, casual about our duties to God, worship, obedience, tithing, and so on, we will be even more casual about our relationships and duties to men. If we treat God with disrespect, we are not likely to respect man. In such a society, the only one we treat with respect is ourselves. From a world of "Thy will be done," we descend to the anarchy of "My will be done." What we do for other people does not matter. Let them take it or leave it. What we do for ourselves is then all important. Are you unhappy about such a world? Then change it by beginning with yourself and your relationship to Almighty God.